3, 2, 1, go!
All right, it looks like these robots are ready for action over here on the Red Alliance. It looks like they have one core on L4, two on L4. 1732 Hilltoppers are going for another one and score successfully. Over here on the Blue Alliance, 4786. Nicolay Fear tries to score one on L4, but fails to do so. That's okay. They get an algae that goes into the processor, getting there by the human player and hopefully down to the net. 930 McGuanago Bears simultaneously gets a coral on the reef and gets an algae that goes in the net for that Blue Alliance. Hilltoppers doing the same, grabbing an algae directly from the coral and scoring it into the net. Right, 53 for the Blue Alliance and 49 for the Red Alliance. Right here, 1732 Hilltoppers tries to get an algae in order to score into the processor, but moves on over to the Blue Alliance side. 930 moves quickly on to that human player station, scores one on L3. 4786, Nicolay Fear grabs that coral and puts it on near that L4 section, right? Trying to get that ranking point to get, when getting all four coral on each of the levels, each alliance can get a ranking point in order to do so. 537, Charger Robotics moves quickly to get a coral from the coral station and moves over on the other side in order to go for those L4s. Same with 1732 Hilltoppers taking in charge of those algae, scoring them into the net. Moving quickly, moving swiftly with 46 seconds left to go. 120 for the Blue Alliance and 105 for the Red Alliance. There's still enough time to score another one so the Red Alliance can catch up with the Blue. Over here with the Blue Alliance, it looks like they are starting their hanging on early, moving over to the barge with 30 seconds left. Hilltoppers, they have taken a break from the algae and now moving on to the coral. Looks like over here, the reef looks a little decorated for the Blue Alliance, as it looks like they have almost all levels for both L4 and L3. It looks like Nicolay Fear put another one into the algae. 930 swifting on over to the barge and hanging successfully. Looks like they're touching a little bit onto the ground. 2 robots for red and 1 robot for blue. All right, this match is going to the Blue Alliance with a final score of 163 to 157. It looks like the Blue Alliance got all 6 ranking points.